Hey there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're using Canva's free version and wondering how to share template links, you're not alone. Canva now only allows pro users to generate template links, but don't worry. I'll show you a simple workaround to share your designs and still sell digital products with a free Canva account. So be sure to watch till the end. So for those of you who are new to Canva or new to selling digital products, Canva template links let you easily share designs with customers. You create your design, sell it, and for customers to access it, they need the template link. But with this new change, it's a little trickier. But again, don't stress. I'll walk you through how to share your Canva designs even with the free account. Okay, let me show you what I mean. I'm logged into my free Canva account here, and as you can see, I can't use the button to generate a template link. But here's what we can do instead. Click Share in the top right corner, then go to the access level, select anyone with the link, and choose the Can View option. Then copy the link. This will be the one you will use and give to your customers. Now, let's pretend I give this link to my customer. I'll open another free Canva account which will serve as our customer for this example. Make sure to also provide instructions for your customers on what to do. Since we have a link to view only, we can't edit any text. So now, go to File and click Make a Copy. And there you go. Your customer can now edit the template. Comment yes if you want more Canva tips and hacks. Or if you want a specific topic for me to cover, let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. See you in my next video. Bye!